actually we are waiting for it. Our technical team is helping for it. So can give us some time. Yeah. Right now, actually, we don't have any WhatsApp group yet, but you can join the Discord group. So I think yes, our YouTube live is okay right now. So I think we must start right now. Yay! Okay, so hello and welcome everyone. We're excited to kick off the section for KitaHack 2026. So thank you so much for spending your Monday night with us. We hope you all have your dinner ready. So before we get started, you can see a Slido code on the screen. If you have any question throughout the section, so feel free to submit them there and we will address them during the Q&A section later on. So maybe I'll give you guys a few seconds so you can just screenshot or maybe type the code out. So got any question, you guys can just put it there. Okay, so here is our social media and also Discord. So we'll be sharing all the latest update throughout this platform. For Discord especially, if you don't have any team yet and you wanted to join KitaHack, so this is where you can find a member and form a group. So you may take a quick screenshot of this slide for reference. So you can just scan the QR and just follow our Instagram and also join the Discord server. So hi guys, my name is Wai Ying. I'm the lead of GDG On Campus Sunway and also the co-director for KitaHack 2036. So it's very nice to meet you all today. So what actually is KitaHack? KitaHack launched it in 2021 and is a nationwide collaboration involving all GDG On Campus chapter across Malaysia. It's more than just a hackathon. It's a platform for passionate and talented students to develop their skill, tackle real-world AI and SEJ Aligner chapter challenge, and prepare themselves for Google Solution Challenge. So, what is Google Solution Challenge? We invite students around the world to join the Google Developer Student Club Solution Challenge, where students from around the world are invited to solve for one of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals using Google technology. So after hearing about the Google Solution technology, you might be wondering what the biggest benefit for students to join KitaHack 2026. KitaHack 2026 is designed as a nation-level hackathon, but its purpose goes beyond just competing locally. It serves as a preparation platform helping students build the mindset, technical skill, and real-world experience needed to confidently step into international level competition, such as the Google Solution Challenge. So next, I will show you guys the timeline for Hack 2026, which is a very important timeline as well. So I hope you guys were aware about this. So for the event timeline, which is today, is 5th of January, which is the kickoff section, and also our registration for KitaHack 2026 will be open today. So feel free to just register before it's too late and find your group member, or maybe you want to do it solo as well. It's okay. So to 5th of January to 15th January is the registration period. So right now we are just until 15th January. If there's any request or whatever, if there's a lot of requests, we might also extend the due date as well. But hopefully our registration period is only until 15 January. So for 20 January and to 28 February will be the premier round submission period. So around this period, you'll see that actually that's a quite big period. So what this period we are doing is actually workshop that for KitaHack 2026, we have planned several workshops. So for 31 January, which is web development and API fundamental workshop, which is our first ever workshop for KitaHack 2026. So usually for the workshop is hybrid. Usually we will host it like physically on campus and also maybe online, but some workshop is purely based online lah. So Oh my god. Okay, so for 1st of February will be the app development workshop. So you guys can just feel free to join. Actually, all the workshop is voluntary basis. If you guys feel that the topic is interested for you, then you can join it as it's free of charge. So for 7th February will be Firebase workshop. 8th of February will be a Flutter workshop. 14th February will be Gemini workshop. 15th February will be a Google Cloud Platform workshop. Next, for 1st of March to 7th of March will be the premier round evaluation period, where each of the groups should submit your project, and for the judges that we have invited will evaluate your project in order to come out with the top 10 finalists. So on 9th March, we will announcing our top 10 finalists for KitaHack 2036. So we are giving us period for top 10 finalists to refine their solution, which is 10th of March to 17th March 2026. So this period will be given to the top 10 finalists to refining their solution and mentoring session. Most of the mentoring session is a remote basis, so we will be sending out the link afterward. Like after you have been selected as a top 3, you will get the link and you're able to book the mentoring section with the mentor. So for 28 March and 29 March is the most important day, which is the pre-demo day and also the demo day. So what actually pre-demo day is doing is actually we invited a lot of industry experts and to be your mentor, so you guys can ask several questions and just show the project that you have developed to them, and maybe you can also like have a rehearsal pitch with them as well. So for that day, after the mentoring section, there's also a rehearsal for the top 10 finalists to rehearse on the stage. So for 29 March will be the demo day, which is the actual day for pitching lah. So this is the overall event timeline. You guys can take a quick screenshot because I think it's very important, but definitely afterward we will also send out this info pack to you guys, so you guys will also get the event timeline as well, but you guys can still screenshot. I think I can give a few seconds for you guys. And for those who didn't get the Slido code, actually it's just top on the screen, so if you got any question can just get into the Slido and put your answer in and we will answer it afterwards. Okay, I think should be enough time. So I think next. So this will be a Google Tag workshop timeline. So due to some issue, most of the time for the workshop is haven't confirmed yet. So after that, we will update it accordingly and let you guys know. But if you want to get update as well, so do follow our IG. So we'll post a lot of like post for the workshop, so you guys can just join and you guys will be alert of, oh actually today there's a workshop, or maybe next week there's a workshop, and you guys can just click the link and to join the workshop, and it's totally free. Yeah, I can take a quick screenshot on it. Okay, I think should be okay, or you guys need more time, and maybe more time a bit. And all workshop is also will be held online, so you guys don't need to travel around, which I think is very convenient for you guys. You guys can just watch the online recording also this section. Okay, I think next slide. So now the most exciting part, will now official launch KitaHack 2026. So what is the theme for KitaHack 2026, which is AI and SDG? So problem statement for KitaHack 2026, which is practical AI solution for real-world impact using Google technology. How can we develop innovative, scalable, and sustainable AI-powered solution that address real-world problem aligned with one or more SDG using Google technology stack? Moving from theoretical knowledge to deployable application that create measurable community impact. So this, I think, should be the most exciting part for this kickoff session. You guys can take a quick screenshot. I think this one I gave more time for you guys to take a screenshot on it, even though after that we will also release the slide and also info pack, but you guys can still get the time to screenshot. Yay. Okay, so now we will move to, yes, registration form. So what you guys waiting for? Just scan the QR and join KitaHack 2036 before it's too late. And for KitaHack 2036, we is also allowed it for solo participants. So for those who didn't get any team member, no worries, you can just join solo. It's like, yeah, why not? So let's scan the QR. Maybe you guys can just take a quick screenshot on it as well. I think this one I give more time a bit, until 8:22. Yeah. And if you guys have any question, can also put it in a Slido. Can take a quick screenshot, and also maybe you can just scan the QR and register now. Because the registration period is also considered quite short for KitaHack 2036, so it's good to register right now. And if you got no team member or you want to do solo, it's okay. But if you got no team member, you can also scan to, like just now, the code for the Discord server, and you can also look for a team member as well. I think a lot of people also looking for team member, so it's okay, and you get to know more people from different campus as well, different place. So it's a very good experience for Kita 2025. That's also one of the top 10 is from their group is from various campus as well. I remember it. I think it's from APU and also from MMU and also another campus, and they got top 10 as well. So yeah, so why not? Maybe you are the one as well. Everyone let's scan the QR, register right now. Yay. And you get to get a chance to win the prize. And the prize pool is also quite attractive as well. Yay. Me personally also wanted to join, but I can't join myself. Okay, then I think that should be enough for time. If you guys didn't get to scan the QR, you guys can also watch the YouTube live recording, and also we will also release the slide as well. So yeah, next we'll pass to Jessie, which is also the co-director for KitaHack.
Okay, so thank you so much, Wayne. So hello everyone, I'm Fong Jessie, and I'm also GDG on campus UM lead for right now. And for right now, I would like to brief you all about the rules and regulations. Okay, so first, every participants have to submit your prototype and also your project within the deadline. So which means that all of you have to follow the dates for registration as well as the submission. Any of you that's late for submission, it will be not accepted. Within the community, all of us have to be respectful, and yep, all code must be in original work. If any of plagiarism found, then it will be automatically disqualified. And then regarding for the project team, it must align with at least one SDG, but it's not limited to one. So maybe you all can integrate like 2 or more SDG, but it won't affect your mark, which means that it doesn't mean that more SDG will lead to more marks, but we will value your impact of your project. So moving on will be the judges and mentors couldn't be compete in this KitaHack 2026, and all the participants' projects must implement Google AI technology as well as the Google Developer tool. So for the team formation, all the last-minute changes will not be accepted. So if you change your team or modify a little bit of information regarding your group member or yourself, you have to notify organizers, which are Wayne and me, immediately if you like to do so within registration period or after. GDG OC requirements. So within your team formation, it must include at least one team member. So it must one of the member is from GDG OC Malaysia chapter. So there's 10 chapters in Malaysia. For example, University Malaya, Sunway, Monash, APU, and etc. So at least one of the members have to register themselves as a GDG OC member in one of the chapter. So this KitaHack is open exclusively to students currently enrolled at Malaysia universities. And for the team size, it can be 1 to 4 members. So it's okay to you to register yourself as a solo team, as well as if you like to encourage your friend to join, we will be welcome as well. So all the teams which fail to fulfill these requirements will all be automatically disqualified. So for the submission guidelines, all submission must incorporate AI to address one or more SDGs problem. All work must be completed during the official duration of the hackathon, which means every submission of project that exceeds the deadline will not be accepted. Submission must be original. Plagiarism of ideas, code, or design is prohibited. Submission needs to be made before the given deadline. And last, submission that contains dangerous and sensitive contents will result in immediate disqualification as well. So if you would like to join more people in one team, but you couldn't find an interested friend to join together with you, so feel free to join the Discord link and go to the channel looking for team. So at that, you can introduce yourself and also address some of your strengths. For example, you are strong front end. So feel free to introduce a little bit of yourself and looking forward to know more people and register together, come up with an impactful project. So maybe I will give 30 seconds for you to scan this Discord link once again. So you all won't have to be shy while looking for a team. So just be brave to introduce yourself in this channel, and feel free to chat around and find the one who share the same wavelength with you, and then join the KitaHack 2026 together. So I think I give another 5 seconds more. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So as I mentioned just now, all of your project have to at least include one of the Google AI technology. So here is the example of the Google AI technology. For example, GCP Vertex AI platform, Gemini, as well as Google AI Studio. So your project have to at least one Google AI technology. At the same time, your project have to include at least one Google Developer tools. So for example, Flutter, Firebase, Android Studio, and also TensorFlow, which means that for the technical part, your project have to include at least one Google AI technology and also at least one Google Developer tools. So for the judging criteria, so for the first round, it's called preliminary round. We actually do emphasize on your idea submission, and we have a 25% on technical. So we do accept a low code prototype when submitted to preliminary round. While for the final round, we do expect for like full prepared prototype. So we do have like 40% of technical, 40% of presentation, and also 20% of your problem statement. And how would your problem statement and your prototype bring an impactful value to community? So for the preliminary round judging criteria, problem statement with SDG alignments will cost you 15 points, technology innovation, 10 points, user feedback and iteration, 15 points, AI integration, which include like Google AI Studio, Gemini, or Vertex AI, or other AI integration, will cost 10 points, and success metrics and scalability will be 10 points. Moving on to the section of technology parts, technology, architecture, and Google technologies will cost 5 points, technical implementations and challenges, 5 points, and last will be the completeness and demonstration will be 10 points. So for clear details of the preliminary round submission requirements, so first, all of the groups have to submit a video presentation, which is 5 minutes. Every 30 seconds exceed will cause deduction of marks. Second one would be the project documentation. You have to write in details on how your project is. And last is the low-code prototype, and also, or you prefer a GitHub repository link. So what's next? So for the newbies or for the one who have just joined hackathon in first time, so we do have provide a suggested guidelines for all of you. So first, assemble the dream team. So feel free to chit chat around in the Discord server and know more friends and register on the provided forms, Google Forms. After this, you all can do the brainstorming to identify your SDG challenges, one or more SDG challenges. So you all can start to map up your Google Tech Stack, participate in our workshops that presented by Ryan just now. And then moving on will be the building your working prototype, create your pitch video within 5 minutes, and last will be submitted your solutions. So once again, we will show you the social media, which are our Instagram page and also Discord server for all of you to keep updated with our updates as well as the announcement. So maybe I will give you all about 10 seconds to screenshot around. Bye. 4, 2, 1. So if you have questions,
I think maybe Jasin have lagged out a bit, so maybe I will just continue with it. So this one is a participant info pack. You guys can scan to it, and actually there's a lot of information in there. So I think it's quite details. But if you guys still got any question, you guys just feel free to put in the Slido. But you guys definitely just scan this QR that you get a lot of information from it, and it might solve a lot of question that you have. So maybe you guys can just scan. I have to give you guys a few more seconds before Jasin came back. I think she lagged it out. Yeah. I think I'll do 34. Yay. So I think should be okay, right? I think everyone done scanning this info pack, but no worries. We'll still upload it to the link tree maybe after that, and also Discord. Okay, so next will be the Q&A section. So, please get into the Slido and just put the code in, and you can just put any question in. Yeah, and we will answer your question. Come. Can I group with Feng Jiaxin? Sorry, no. She's our co-director, cannot join. Of course, yes. Actually, if you're a past winner, of course you can join the competition again. So, how do I register GGOC if my university doesn't have GDGOC? I think. Actually, not so sure. Is it possible for you, even though you're not that campus student? I think you can also join other campus GGOC. But if you can't, actually, you can find the group member which their uni have the GDGOC. So you don't need to worry about that, since I think each group only needed one people is from GDGOC member. So yeah, you can just find your group member which one of them is a GDGOC member. So will we receive any free credits or two for the KitaHack? This one actually we are still requesting for it, but no promise actually for right now. We are not giving you guys any free credit or tools, but we are trying our best. If we do provide, we'll update you guys afterwards. Yeah. So if I'm joining solo, I must be a GGOC member, right? Yes. Yeah. If you're joining solo, you must be GGOC member, because this is also one of our requirement for the KitaHack 2026. So if you're solo, definitely you need to be. But if you're not, then maybe your group member, like one of your group member, have to be. So hi, I just finished up my final semester in December. For 2026 KitaHack. Have you worked? Are you now working right now? I mean, for KitaHack is student hackathon. So if you're already working, I wouldn't say you are eligible for this KitaHack 2036. Yeah, because we want to be fair. So if you're working already, then we should not let you guys to join. Yeah. So what does it mean with the GGOC requirement? So does it mean one member need to be GG member? Yes. Yeah. at least one member have to be a GDG member. I mean, it's easy, but like joining GDGOC for different campus, like maybe UM somewhere, Monash or what, actually is free. So just click on the link and can just fill in your information, then you will be the member. So it's very easy actually. So I would say it's a very difficult requirement, which I think is quite easy. You can just click into a link. Like maybe if you are from like maybe from Sunway, like I'm Sunway, so you can just click. You just go to our IG and there's a link tree. You can just click on the link tree and get the link, click in it, and then join us. Then that's it. You already is our GDG member. So yeah. Oh, how to join as GDGOC member? Okay, I think I answered a bit already. So depends on which campus you're from. You can just search your GDGOC and then your campus. Maybe you're from from somewhere. Then you search GDGOC somewhere, and then you just click into the link, and then you just fill in your info, and then that's it. You already is the GDGOC member. So it's very easy, nothing complex, and the best thing is free of charge. And what's the benefit of being GDGOC member? Actually, there's a lot. Like I think all of the campus hosts a lot of events, so you can just if you can just like join it, and you can join a lot of workshop, and also maybe some Google company visit. Actually, there's a lot of benefit. Do we have to join all the workshop or can go for few only? Actually, it's totally voluntary basis. So why do we have this workshop? Is because we wanted to prepare you guys for KitaHack 2026, since not everyone joining is the very expert in hackathon. Maybe they are just first time joining hackathon. So they might be wondering what actually hackathon is doing, what is needed for hackathon. So I think some of that is also from year one students. So it's okay, like even though you're year one, maybe you have lesser knowledge than those is from year three. But this is the workshop designed for. It's designed for those people that's have lesser knowledge and also have less experience in hackathon. So you guys can just join, and then you get to have gain knowledge from maybe the knowledge that you didn't learn from uni. I think a lot of uni not teaching that a lot of technique that able for you to apply in hackathon. So I think it's very good, and it's totally free of charge. So why not? You can just get a free class. How do I register GDOC in my university UM? Maybe Jasin, you wanna answer this? Is Jasin here? Yeah.
So it's like also same the procedure as you register in other chapters. So not sure why you able to dive a little bit on how to register.
Here.
Okay, so at first you can the GDG. Here is the baby link. So I think Wayne already joined. So if you are a new user and haven't,
maybe I leave this chapter first. Okay, sure, yay.
Okay, sure.
Okay, you see this join us. Oh, I think because I got info already, but for those who didn't have info, actually you need to fill up the form. Yes. But actually it's very easy. You can just like search and maybe GDGOC MMU, and you also get the link. So you can just join. So it's like very easy actually. Just search your uni, your campus. Yeah. You just like click this and then you can just join. It's like very, very easy actually, nothing difficult. Okay, can I go with Feng Jiaxi? Okay, I think I answered already. Cannot. She's our co-director. You cannot go with her. Can past winner join the competition again? I would say actually yes, we didn't restrict this. So yeah, actually feel free to join. Yeah. How can I become a GDG member? Is there a participant certificate available? I think GDG member I already mentioned a lot. Is there a participant certificate available? Yes, actually, there's e-cert for every participant. So, no worry, if you have submitted your project, definitely you need to submit your project to get the certificate. If you didn't submit any project, you just like I mean, what does it mean? You just apply to become the KitaHack 2026 participant, but you didn't submit a project, then we will not providing any certificate for you guys. But if you did submit your project to us, then definitely you will receive a participation certificate. Can use AI to create a prototype. I mean, everyone here is using AI. Well, I'm sure that everyone is using different kind of AI, various of AI. So it depends how you want to play with AI, and we wouldn't stop you guys to use it. But will it affect the marks is totally based on the judges. So I wouldn't say anything about this. If you use it AI very well, then actually it's a bonus point. You add a lot of mark to it. But if you didn't like use it well, then it might be the one who minus the mark lah. Okay, so do we get any certificate if we don't make it past the preliminary round? Yes, you will still receive certificate, but just like what I mentioned just now, you need to at least submit your project to us, so you get the certificate. But yeah, definitely it's a e-cert lah. And if I'm from the listed uni which is but not a committee, can I join? Oh, definitely. If you are not a committee member, you are also free to join. We are not that strict that you need to be the committee to join this KitaHack 2026. What I mean is be like you guys need to be as a GDGOC member, just like what I demonstrate to you guys. You can just join as a GDGOC member, then you can join the member. Yes. Is the timeline of this KitaHack not the same as other hackathon based on the given timeline? Not as same as other hackathon. I mean, different hackathon have different timelines. So, I wouldn't say us is different with other hackathon, but we have our own timeline. So this is what our timeline will be. But I think a lot of hackathon is also having some similar timeline like us. Yeah, it's actually depends on how the hackathon want to design the timeline. So how to be a GDGOC member, I think I answered it before already. So you can just search GDGOC in any campus to become the member. What is the number of member? 1 to 5. 1 to 5. No, I think it's 1 to 4, if I'm not wrong. No, 5. Yes, it's 1 to 4 member. So you can be solo or you can have a group as well. But we have restricted until 4 member only lah. Yes. Okay, this I think they answered it for me already. What does member J refer to? Does it mean just a regular member? Yes. Just a regular member, just like what I demonstrated just now. Just click into the link and join us, then you can be the member already. You don't need to be the core team member to be the committee. So is it hackathon based on white coding? No, actually this hackathon is not based on white coding, but it depends how you want to play with AI. I would say just now you mentioned, we didn't stop you guys using AI. Like it's not an assignment from your campus or from a uni. So it really based on how you want to play with it. But yeah, it's totally based on you. Will it affect the mark? I wouldn't talk much about that. But yeah, if you use it good, definitely is a bonus mark for it. So can we just register ourselves for GDC or the school should register it? Not so sure about what your question, but I think maybe you're asking about the member, is it? If it's for the member, you can just go to the link. and then register as a member. Like, you don't need to ask your campus or school to do it. But for KitaHack 2026 as well, you can register by yourself. You don't need to ask your school to do it for you. I'm from UM, so as long as I register under my sis, then it counts as. What is
Just for clarification, so actually my SIS is for University Malaya system, so it is not counted as GDG OC member. So to become the chapter member for GDG OCUM, you have to go for the very website which presented by Waying just now.
Yeah, this one.
Go for the very website. Yeah. So just click on the join button, then you will be automatically counted as GDG OCUM member, but not my SIS. Yeah.
This one. Join. Yes. What will be the physical one? It be social final. For the final demo day, we are planning to do it at Sunway Uni, but this is not confirmed yet since there's something I need to like talk with the campus as well. So if it's confirmed, definitely we'll update you guys. But right now our plan is Sunday Uni for the demo day, also pre-demo day. Can I join other uni GDG? Actually can, right, Jasine? Since I also joined the UM.
Yep, it's totally can.
So yeah, you can join any actually. You feel free to join any. You can join UM, can join somewhere, you can join Monash, MMU, IUM, anything, APU, like anything you can join. So if the team of 4, say we have junior, can other member be working? You mean that one of your member is working, is it? For KitaHack, we are focusing on student only. So if you are working, even though you can still register right now, but during the time that our committee look into the registration form, maybe we might filter you guys out, since for KitaHack is designed for student hackathon and we also wanted to be fair. So what if our school doesn't? I think just now answered already. So can just feel free to join any GG Malaysia campus as member like any campus actually. How do I register for KitaHack 2026? You can just, I think just now I already show the registration form. You can just screenshot or maybe just scan the QR right now. But afterward, we will also update it to the link tree. It's in our IG as well, and we will also post some posts as well. But if you want to register right now, you can just scan this QR and just register right now. Or maybe you want to screenshot and save the QR as well. It's okay. Yay! Maybe I give a few more seconds. Yeah, I can take a screenshot. I think there's a few info need to fill up with, so you can just take a screenshot on it. Okay, so if I'm working while being a student, am I eligible to join? So part-time, right? If you're still a student, then should be okay. Yeah. What I'm talking for working is like if you are already graduated from your bachelor and you is a working adult already, then maybe not, because this is really designed for a student hackathon. And even though for other hackathon they allow working adult to join, there's also different track, there's student track and also for those who are already working track. So for KitaHack, we doesn't design it to be like this, so that's why if you are a working adult, we might filter you out after you register . Can I join other? Yes, campus GGOC. Yes, feel free to join any campus as member GGOC. Is GGOC the same as GSC? Yes, is it? Yeah. Where do we check the technology? Actually, this one you can just later we will release this one. So you guys can just feel free to check out the slide and can just use any technology as well actually. But of course, you need to use at least tools that at least one tools that we have mentioned about. So yeah. I'm from Utah. If I want to join, is it? I'm just want to join together. If I'm from Utah. If I would like to join, is it? I just find. Yeah. Actually, yes, but if you can't find any, why don't you just be a member for any GDGOC campus, right? Because it's free of charge. Actually, it's very easy. You can just get into it and click the link, and you just join. Nothing much. So yeah, I think you guys can just feel free to join lah. For a group that didn't pass the primer still receive. Yes. You will still receive the certificate, but just like what I mentioned just now, you need to submit the project because a lot of people they just register for the hackathon but end up they didn't submit the project. So for this kind of issue, we won't send out the certificate for them. But if you do like have a real project, not to say just a simple no, I mean simple project is okay, but if it's just a simply white code project, we might also wouldn't send you guys the certificate as well because I think a lot of people also spend a lot of time on doing it. So to be fair, we also wanted to um, let the people that's really spend their time on it to receive the certificate. But definitely, if you submit a project, you will definitely receive the certificate. So no worries. Hi, may I know, is it possible to join any? Even I'm from other since yes, you can join any GG campus. There's a lot lah. You can join UM, GDGOC, Sunway. This one also got, and then there's also GDG, maybe APU. Actually, there's a lot. You can join any. Yeah, you can just like join us. Oh yeah, I joined already. Okay, it's okay. Because I did fill in my info. I really logged into my account. That's why when I just click the button, it joined automatically. But if you didn't have a coin, then maybe you need to fill in more information. So if one was working about but enroll for master, can choose. Actually, yes. If you are still a student, actually yes. Even though you are a master student, you are still able to join. But if you are like purely working adult, maybe no. Is there really to be ready to? Actually, not really. Yeah. For the resume, it just